In this video, we will discuss 10 multiple choice questions from the topic Solid State Devices. Number of electrons in the fourth orbit of copper is 1. Maximum permissible number of electrons in the fourth orbit of an atom is 32. In the first orbit of an atom, maximum permissible number of electrons is 2. In the second orbit, 8. In the third orbit, 18. And the fourth orbit, 32. So the relationship between number of electrons in an orbit and orbit number is 2n square, where n is the orbit number. For example, in this case n is equal to 4. So 2n square is equal to 2 into 4 square, that is equal to 32. Which of the following is true? In the case of a varactor diode, voltage controlled capacitor. Varactor diode is a voltage controlled capacitor. When voltage applied to the varactor diode is varied, capacitance between anode and cathode of the varactor diode varies. A semiconductor in its pure form is called as intrinsic semiconductor. After adding impurity, semiconductor becomes extrinsic semiconductor. Valence orbit of an atom is also called as outermost orbit. For an atom, maximum number of electrons in the nth orbit is given as 2n square. For any atom, in the first orbit, maximum permissible number of electrons is 2. In the second orbit, maximum permissible number of electrons is 8. And the third orbit, maximum number of electrons is 18. So in the case of nth orbit, maximum number of electrons is 2n square. For a semiconductor, number of electrons in the valence orbit is 4. Electrical property of an element depends on its last orbit. After formation of covalent bonds, number of electrons in the valence band of silicon is 8. Each silicon atom forms covalent bonds which involves 2 electrons with 4 neighboring silicon atoms. So, total number of electrons in the valence band of a silicon atom becomes 8, 4 from its own valence shell and 4 electrons from 4 neighboring silicon atoms. So total number of electrons in the valence band of a silicon atom after formation of covalent bonds is 8. Time elapsed between creation and disappearance of a free electron is called as lifetime. Thanks for watching Circuitszz Analytica. Enjoy learning.